ANAFI is a flying camera that contains cutting-edge photography software and hardware. An integrated camera uses a latest generation sensor for spectacular 4K HDR videos and 21 megapixel photos. HDR adds a far more dynamic range to the image. It's ideal for filming a sunset or a bright blue sky with exposed backdrops. ANAFI is the only drone on the market able to do this. It's a camera capable of taking unique photos and videos that just aren't possible with any other drone in the same category. The camera tilts from -90 to +90 degrees vertically and takes shots from all angles. The camera is equipped with a wide-angle lens featuring a 110-degree diagonal field of view. The optic was specifically designed to limit lens flare in all lighting conditions.
We integrated an up to 2 times lossless digital zoom and an up to 3 times standard digital zoom. The zoom led us to create a brand new smart drone called Dolly Zoom, better known as the famous vertigo effect.
We put in a lot of effort to come up with a precise shape that lets you fly for as long as possible. We needed the shape of the propellers to work in harmony with the motors. All the work we put into creating optimal propellers resulted in a very quiet drone. The smart battery features sensors designed to monitor its wear and tear and optimize the battery life. You can also check the battery level at any moment using the LED indicators. Its agile frame resists winds up to 31 miles per hour, and its powerful propulsion helps it reach impressive speeds up to 33 miles per hour, without sacrificing on image quality or losing stability.
We equipped each drone leg with dual-band antenna, creating an omnidirectional system with unparalleled transmission performances.
FreeFlight 6 was designed keeping users in mind at all times. With a new interface, you'll be able to progress further and deeper in the piloting and imaging settings, going from the automatic to professional mode.
Piloting ANAFI is fun and safe. We created a drone that is powered by cutting-edge AI and can follow you on the go without you piloting the drone, thanks to CineShots and smart dronies.